Okay, so the question is, a car made a run of 390 kilometers in X hours. If the speed had been 4 kilometer per hour more, it would have taken 2 hours less for the journey, for the same journey. Then, if these are the conditions given, we have to find the value of X. Right? So let us assume that the car went from this A point, to B point, right? So this distance is how much? This distance is 390 kilometers. Now it is already given to us that time is how much? Time is equal to X hours, which means that if I have to find the value of speed, then speed, let us assume speed is equal to S, so S will be equal to distance upon time, right? So it will become 390 upon X. Let us consider this to be our first equation, first important equation, right? Now in second statement, what is given to us? It is given to us that if the speed had been 4 km per hour more, it would have taken 2 hours less for the same journey. So again, the journey is from A to B, which means that my distance has not changed. Distance is still 390 kilometers, right? But if I have to reduce time, how much? If I have to reduce time by 2 hours, right, then my speed should be 4 kilometers per hour more, right? So what will be the equation that we will get? S was the original speed, but we want 4 kilometers per hour more, so that our time will be 2 hours less. So again, our equation will be distance upon time. This is our second important equation. So from these two equations, we have to find what? We have to find the value of X. So what can you do now? Look at this second equation. Your second equation has the term S, but we already know what is the value of S in terms of X. It is 390 upon X. So let us use this value in second equation. So the equation which you will get is 390 upon X instead of X plus 4 should become equal to 390 upon X minus 2. To simplify this, let us take this 390 upon X on one side. You will get 4 is equal to 390 upon X minus 2 minus 390 upon X. If you take 390 common and take LCM, you should get something like, take LCM as well as cross multiply it, you will get 4x into X minus 2 equal to 390 into X minus X plus 2. This X will get cancelled out, right? So now you are basically going to get a quadratic equation when you open this bracket, right? So if you continue solving this, you will get 4x square minus 8x is equal to 390 into 2, that is 780. This is what is our equation. Let us take everything on the same side. So we will get the quadratic equation 4x square minus 8x minus 780 equal to 0. Let us simplify this. Let us cancel out 4. So we will further get x square minus 2x minus 195 equal to 0. Solution of this equation should be our value of x. So now what we can do? We can again use the splitting the middle term method to factorize this equation, and that would lead us to our solution. So this minus 2 can be written as x square minus 15x plus 13x minus 195 equal to 0, right? Let us take x common from first. We will get x into x minus 15, and when we take 13 common from the next two, we will get 13 into again x minus 15 equal to 0, right? Which on further simplification should give us x minus 15. Let me use this space here, this small space, okay? So you will get x minus 15 into x plus 13 equal to 0. So if something into something is equal to 0, either the first something should be 0 or the second something should be equal to 0. If first something is equal to 0, we will get value of x equal to 15, right? But if second something is 0, then we will get value of x is equal to minus 13, right? So let us again see what is x. X is number of hours that the car has taken to cover 390 kilometers. So it cannot be a negative quantity. Time should be positive, right? So 15 looks good. So finally what you can answer? That it took 15 hours for the car to travel how much? 390 kilometers. This is your final answer.